So, hello, another day, same man, same blade, and a quick series today, not gonna waste time, gonna see the news on the TV, 5, hey, the watch is going too fast. Actually, it's not 10 minutes past, it's 9 o'clock in the evening. Here where I live, 9 o'clock. So this is the 9 o'clock news coming up very soon. But first, oh shit. I cut myself again. Normally I don't do that after the first month, but today I did. Today I did. Yeah. Yeah, this is funny. Thank you very much. 32 times so far. Yeah. This is okay. Thank you.